It's a time we put into things that
That's the
matter
YouTube
to
link.
us.
I think it's here somewhere. No, it's fine.
It's the heart and soul
Invite.
we invest
There.
to create a lasting
Send this link to you guys. Email also. Oh, this one is invite guests to studio.
It's the smart moves we make to maximize our future.
Invite that. Invite guests to what? To StreamYard.
This one is
As your
for
lifetime financial
guests
partner,
to for this
Sunlight
one,
Malaysia
not the
is committed
participants.
to taking what matters to you.
I think it's somewhere here.
Secure your tomorrow today at sunlightmalaysia.com.
YouTube. View on YouTube.
Using
And
YouTube.
welcome officially to this evening's event at Beijing Solano's
Copy this.
Tonight isn't just about furniture, it's about celebrating creativity and the amazing work you're doing shaping
Yeah, let's go.
Let us mark this as a new milestone where we can connect the furniture industry with the interior design industry, where we bring a more spectacular living experience to home.
What's up, guys? Can you all hear us? You want to comment or something? Comments can show up on stream. Hey, yo.
Hi, Majid. Hi, Alex.
Majid, what's up? Yo, Alex. Hi. Okay. It's working. It's working.
Yeah. After a long time.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Hey, finally y'all get to see our face and the stream together.
Yeah. Usually you guys will only see the screen, right? Yeah. So, Logesh, DY, hello. See, two different people, We might sound the same, but two different people, guys. Yeah. So, what's up? Powell Brothers. No.
Yes, Alex, what's the question?
Hey, is the music too loud? If the music is too loud, let me know. I will slow it down. Or you can't hear it at all. If you can't hear it at all, it's even better. By the way, we are on a sale currently. The sale is running. So we are in a sale. Let's see. Today is all about your questions to us. So ask anything. Currently we couldn't record yet. Our recording setup is not ready yet. So I'm so sorry, guys.
But I think it will be on YouTube.
Yeah, it will be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Lipton team, yo! Alexander, looks like you've been a long time with us. Sorry for the MIA absence. Forgive me, guys.
Yeah.
You are unforgettable. Hey, yeah, we haven't talked about Lipton, talking about that. Oh, damn. So, guys, yes, another question. Yeah, sure. What's up? Yeah, like this. Let's see if the sale will continue or will it go up. It's been a long time, bro. Yeah, John. Yes. When's the next intake? Okay, Gabo, what's up? I got a message. I replied you. Is JJ, are you on a buy and sell? We're on a sell. We're on a sell. We're on a sell. It can go all the way up to 96, but we are selling within the range. So when's the next intake? Okay, this month, November will be the next intake. We are currently done with solid basics and a little bit of advance with the previous batch. So we are ready to take in more for next batch of learning. We also have a couple of new things to share with you guys for the current and the new batch actually. So we want to probably share it all together when the new batch comes. Yeah. So we don't mind starting back from scratch. From YouTube and all. Since you guys know the TikTok bans and stuff, yeah, we don't mind growing it back from YouTube itself. I think it's fine.
We miss you too, Nakiki.
Yeah, miss you too. Greetings from Malaysia. Woo! Love you, love you, love you.
Sorry lah, guys. We had to be, we were missing for quite some time.
Yep.
Because we were doing some important work in the background. We were coaching our elite so that they are able to navigate. The market wasn't easy for the past 1 month.
Yep.
So we really had to do some close control teaching and coaching for them.
Yes, we were also developing a method of how to trade during uncertain market, especially when the market is dominated by sentiment. Okay, we realized that was one huge issue that we all went through. So we went and did a lot of back testing in the month, one whole month. Yeah. Makan dulu, later catch up through call YouTube video. Okay, sure, Alex, take care. Bye-bye. So yeah, so we were doing all those back testings and all because we want our community to improve, obviously. We want them to be also consistent during a sentiment dominant market. So we were personally doing our learning as well and testings and all that. Yes, even though we are consistent, we have to be learning each level, each new things that comes in the market. Me and Logesh, we will be learning. We won't be like, hey, we can take this. We are damn good traders. We can handle this now. We're not like that. Okay, so we will be learning. We will be having some time where, okay, you know what? Let's study this new behavior of the market. This is war. This is government shutdown, but it seems new. It seems like a different behavior of the market. So we need to learn all that as well. So each time the market evolves, we need to adapt. Okay, as a trader, you guys just need to remember every time the market evolves, a new type of habit comes, behavior comes. You need to adapt. Yeah. Hi, Priya. Long time never see you too. The cell is running. Yeah, it's running. Cell is running. Cell is running away. Ow. Larni, hi. Nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you all. Thank you guys for joining the stream. Yeah, we just kickstarting. We're doing a start from scratch in YouTube because TikTok is not so kind to us and all the other traders as well. But I do see some traders, using TikTok and still being live. I don't know. TikTok doesn't want to give us chance. So guys, today is AMA.
Thanks for the magic zone.
Really amazing. You guys rock. Oh, did you just trade it in the magic zone? Because I know it went up to magic zone and is reacting now. Congratulations, Nakiki. So yes, today is AMA. AMA is basically means ask me anything. So in this case, ask us anything.
Yep.
Regarding us, you can ask regarding SuperTraders, regarding myself and Logesh. You can ask also in regards to our group or in regards to trading, anything you want us to share or or just have a chat. We want to continue doing this again. We just set up our new gears and what are we going to do for the month heading towards 2024, our direction, what are we want to what do we want to achieve and those kind of things. Yeah. Roy, what's up, Roy? Welcome. So yes, is there anything you want to know? Ask us. All right. Okay, so we're just gonna be here, open for you guys to answer. And there is a trade that was taken just like 15 minutes before we went, 15 or 20 minutes before we went live. So, so sorry guys, a bit late. We just flew back today from the north. Don't ask where, but yeah, from the north. I think you guys saw in public group, right? We were showing the airport. Yeah, so we landed here. We had our meal. We took our meal and we didn't even rest. Probably later. So yep, we were setting up the live, and now we are live. Okay. I think in terms of setup, we can't do anything much except for wait for the quick buy right there, scalping buy, I guess. This uncollected. Yep. So guys, do you have anything you all want to ask us?
Yeah, man.
17 of you here. Come on. Don't tell me you guys are waiting for buy or sell. Please don't do that to us. Like, you all know us how long already, right? Any plans to share signals sooner? Signals in public group, you mean? I think yeah, we can do that. We don't mind doing that actually, but again lah, right? Okay, we can share signals from our experience, but how are you gonna benefit from it other than just following the signal? And if you want to understand the signal, I think you can just understand from the point of assuming only when you see a signal. So that's why we prefer to come live and teach you guys and together entry or something, those kind of things. So that is where our heart is, our intention is. So if you're talking about signal, the best we can do is probably share the signals that we are taking entry to. That's the best we can do. Like how we used to do last time. Maybe we can do that again if you wanna. If that's what you're talking about, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. We will start sharing signals in the public group then. I want to join a circle, but no money, bro. Narmada. Okay. This is a very good problem. Okay. I know it's a problem, but it's a good problem. Now you guys daily base online. What does that mean, Amajit?
No, I think where are you guys online for now?
Oh yeah. We're gonna choose to use YouTube. So yes, and yeah. If you got no, you say you got no money, then how are you trading? Are you trading in demo or something? Which is more effective, supply and demand or support resistance? Okay, this one I let Logesh answer. Pro.
Okay, guys. Mana vlogs. Picture quality not good.
Oh really? Ours looks HD and stuff. Picture quality of the chart or of our webcam?
Our face not important lah.
Yeah, our face not important. As long as you can see the chart clearly, it's fine. If chart is having an issue, then let us know.
Yeah. Okay, Majid, which one? Oh, you're using
USC is a US coin, is it? That's crypto, right? USC.
all right. So anyway, for Mana's question, right? Actually, both are important, but ultimately, I think the more effective one to actually take a trade is supply and demand, right?
Yeah.
So basically, supply and demand tells you where the buyers actually are and where the sellers actually are, right? Which means the support and resistance are probably temporary, okay, temporary reaction zones, but supply and demand zones are probably like reversal zones, okay, the area where big reactions can actually take place. Okay, so for example, this is like a resistance zone and support zone. Okay, so whenever you go inside this zone, this can actually help you do your scalping. But eventually, one of the support zones will turn into a demand zone whenever there is a big rally from here on. All right. So let's say this creates a breakout of structure 2 times, then this will become a proper demand zone for you. Okay, so whenever the price comes back inside here, then you can take a trade, right? So try to understand supply and demand because there's a lot to it. It's not as simple as an area with big rallies. It's not as simple as that, okay? Or big drops. That are not just supply and demand. Supply and demand are hidden at places where the chart was not allowed to continue its movement in its opposite direction. So all those things matter in supply and demand. So yeah, that's the more effective one is definitely supply and demand. But support and resistance eventually can turn into a supply or demand.
Yeah, if you want to look at SNR, right, just look at big time frame. It helps. Okay, as simple as that. Look for the bigger time frame. SNR, SND, look for the bigger time frame. Okay, if you want to scalp if you want to scalp in a smaller time frame, then look at S&D preferably. Okay, preferably S&D on a smaller time frame, right? So you're using Send account. Okay, good, good. All right. So Send account, then I think you should maintain in the learning phase, because Send account is always for learning, which is good. If you ask me, my opinion, don't use demo account for learning unless you really can't even afford 50 USD for your learning. Then yes, you have to go to demo. But use 50 USD for Send account and just learn. All right, it helps. Okay. You know why? Because you need to learn how to include emotions in your trading. Because demo has no emotions, guys. Really no emotions. And if you all agree that emotions is a big part of trading, having it controlled and understanding the fear or the FOMO behind it, right? Then you will agree with me that you need the emotions in play when you are trading. Okay, that is our personal, sincere advice. Okay, so let's see any other problems. You guys waiting for signal? Like, come on, don't. Okay. Do you use moving average or Bollinger Bands? Personally, we do, but it's just for confluence in the sense that seeing the strength of the chart, the candlestick. Because in terms of Bollinger Bands, it's about strength. How many times it breaks out? Is there a reversal? What is it doing? If it's breaking out, how far does it go? So Bollinger Band has a lot of I would say SOPs terms to look at. So these kind of terms could be a bit a bit, I would say, tedious. Yeah. So personally, yes, we do use it, but not as like, okay, if this crosses here, I'm selling. This crosses here, I'm buying. Not those kind of things. It's just part of our confluence. How's your trading going, guys? How's your trading going? Can you all summarize to me how was your October in just maybe a few words? Okay, how was your October trading in October? How was your trading in October, guys? October must be a crazy, crazy month, right? Any replies for October trading? If you can see the red zone up there, that's also our sell. October is meh. Didn't trade so much on October, or break even on October, is it, Namada? I made. Oh, quite good. Nice, Majid. Congratulations. Oh, congratulations, Mana. 1900 USD. Woo! Win and lose both. Okay, understand how to deal with emotions when trading. This has been a major problem for me when going solo. Okay, when you want to deal with emotions, right? We are humans, okay? We are not robots. Obviously, it's a big part of us. So I think controlling emotion comes along with experience. You have to, obviously, your first part of trading journey, when you're newbie, you're learning things, you're testing things out, and you see like $2 profit you close, and then about $20, $50 floating you still holding, few $100 of floating you still holding, those kind of things. And then you wonder, what the heck am I doing? Small profit I close, big float I hold. So those kind of things will happen sometimes. And so you will eventually learn how to have a trading plan, a set of rules, where you will stick with your TP and SL, and you will just eventually work on that. Okay, you will eventually come to a point where you understand market structure, and you will eventually, I would say, learn how to respect market structure in the sense of TP and SL. Okay, so that will help. Okay, sometimes when you do put a TP and SL, it hits your SL and then straight it goes to your TP immediately, like zero float SL and then it goes to TP. So that will pain you. Okay, so you either have to accept it, or you have to be very disciplined in your manual cut loss or manual take profit. All right, so that is really important. Okay. Yep. Guys, as usual, it's time for the Maghrib prayers. Since we are in Malaysia, you guys know that we will do this, and we respect all our Muslim brothers and sisters for their time. So, GH, yeah. So let's just give way for them for at least 5 minutes. Is that okay? Cool. We'll be back. Don't worry. What's up, Prince? Be right back.
You took a day.
No, waiting for 83. Around there. 85.
Resistance support.
Piles.
Let me go and check the visual.
Wait, guys, some of you are saying the charts are not clear, right? We will let us check. By the way, yes, guys, we are back. Hello, yo. Okay, so Prince, how are you, Prince? Love you, bro. Mwah. Okay, hey, in Telegram can stream. Yes, actually can. But we are, we're just testing this out. We're doing our YouTube stream here just for the group, and probably we'll incorporate it with either Telegram or TikTok again to test run and see what's happening. So. Lipton, yes, I haven't stocked up Sherwin on the Lipton, so give us some time, then I'll bring the can up back and we'll go for the news again. Okay, it's our DJ home. Yes, this is our home. Yeah, this is our home, and yeah, we are back home here. Buy or sell, can't see clearly. Okay, currently we are looking for sell, so stay tuned for a while, right? Visual not clear. Which visual? The charts or us? Is it the charts or is it us?
Actually, I think you have to change your resolution to 720 pixel. I think it's quite clear.
Yeah, for us it's really clear. When we're checking at our phone here in the link, it's damn clear. It's actually quite clear. Can you change the resolution or something or try? Try it out and see. Change the resolution. 720p is fine. If you can have 1080p, that's greater. Is this better? We just zoomed in the screen for you guys. But yeah, what a slow market, guys. What a slow market. Ow. Oh wait, how to change for live? For live, just you see the settings. There will be some settings logo. Click on it, then you can see a resolution or something like that.
I think you can even zoom in your screen on
YouTube.
Yeah, zoom in the screen.
Oh yeah, you can even zoom in. We just tried. You just use your two fingers, zoom in. Chart is not clear. Can you zoom in? Because we just zoomed the chart for you as well. On our phone here, it looks really clear. Can see everything like super clear. So I think shouldn't be an issue.
Pinch the chart and zoom it, guys.
Yep, just pinch and like try it.
It seems Israel-Hamas war doesn't weaken dollar price against gold.
Not to say it doesn't. It does. It actually does. But there are many other factors involved. A lot of people are thinking that, hey, it's war. How come gold is not flying all-time high and all, right? Makes sense, right? Because the previous war, it did. It flew. It flew like really high until 2078, right? So gold is affected by war, of course. It still has the bullish trend going on, but there are so many other things that are going on simultaneously that is easing gold down, okay, not allowing it to break like how last time it did. All right, so those are the things that are happening for gold. So you have to read economics, read the latest updates, and read what's happening, and read if the war is really escalating or is it actually cooling down and the media is portraying otherwise. Because obviously whatever the media is showing, you have to take it with a pinch of salt. You have to understand that it could be manipulated, it could be a delayed news, it could be a news that just to support the sentiment. So you have to understand that. All right, irregardless, war is ugly, nobody wins. We don't want war to happen in any country to anyone at all. So obviously we don't support that. We are for humanity, guys. All right, so let humanity win and let us also make some money from trading. All right.
Do you see gold stabilizing above 2K by year end and trading advice towards year end? Okay, guys, about the bond yield, right? I think personally, bond yields are already at a high level, all right? And it has a chance to drop. But again, bond yields are affected based on different sentiments across the US, right? So that is something that you got to keep watching and see how the bond yield ends up. Whether investors are preferring to put their money in the bonds or in the stocks towards the end of the year. But normally, towards the end of the year, there will be profit taking from investments which are high risk, such as stocks. So usually there will be an outflow of money from the stocks. Maybe some of that money will go into the bond yield that can push it up. So when that pushes up, DXY goes up and gold can eventually drop. Okay.
Yep.
But again, what is stopping gold from dropping? Gold is supposed to drop based on the strength of the US dollar. But what is stopping gold from going down is definitely the war sentiment. Okay, people are scared to sell and take push down gold because what if the war sentiments escalate again, right?
Yep.
So with all these in place, it is definitely tricky to invest for the longer term. That means you do not have a direction for the longer term until these uncertainties are over.
Yep.
So what you need to do is you got to be like a hawk. You got to keep monitoring the updates on the sentiments and see what's happening with the war. If the war is cooling down, if there's some talks of peace or ceasefire coming in, then you will probably targeting to look at to sell gold. But if you suddenly see there is sentiments escalating and the war is intensifying, they're not giving up and all that, then you got to be careful with yourselves. Look for the near demand areas and see the price action over there.
That's right.
So towards year end, it is going to be tricky. There will be a mixture of everything: profit taking, economic restructuring, war. All these are happening. So just be careful, I would say.
Yeah. Prince, what are you saying? DJ in my count streak 7-0. What is that about? And make gold come to 1980. Yeah, I love you, man. 1980 sounds good.
Dow Jones,
Dow Jones in my count streak 7-0. DJ. Are you calling me DJ or is DJ stands for Dow Jones? And yeah, guys, I know gold is safe haven, okay? But let's say there is no war, right? Let's say it's a normal day, right? Gold is more towards a volatile, slightly riskier asset than others, right? Yeah, so gold is more towards slightly volatile and riskier asset than others compared to the dollars bond yield, the dollar strength, because dollar releases yields, dollar releases interest. There's returns and all that. Gold is just flat, okay, flat. When the price moves up with volatility, you gain. If it doesn't, it's on a selling spree, then you don't. So those kind of things. But during sentiment-based seasons, right, gold is definitely the best safe haven. All right, the best together with dollar because there's also interest. All right, so those kind of things. So as Logesh mentioned, the last quarter of the year. Wait, does Magic Zone enter on fire today? Yeah. How much are you profiting? Yeah, so the last quarter of the year, right, is usually for profit taking, is usually for re-strategizing their investment, okay, re-strategizing their money, where to put in. They would normally put in on a safer asset, slightly safer asset than a more volatile asset. So gold should have dropped even more, but the thing is, at this moment, at this current situation, the drop is not so strong because it's also having there's a uncertainty, geopolitical uncertainty, like the battle, the war going on. So hence the drop is not so drastic like every quarter. So it's just like a drop, just like, okay, I'll leave some money here, I'll take out some, I'll put here some, I'll put there some, so it's like evenly balanced. Those kind of things are happening. Yeah, just been observing, no trade for Monday. Good, good. Okay, okay. Guys, any other question? What else you guys want to learn? Anything to ask about us? Ask about us. What's going on? What's going on with SuperTraders? Or how can I be a consistent trader? Which is too general. Ask something more specific. And finally, you guys are seeing both our faces, right? Always in just TikTok, seeing the charts, and yeah, let's brighten your day a bit.
Yeah, in the meantime, for those of you who are here, 27 of you guys, what is your direction for the day, guys? Are you expecting gold to go up, or are you expecting gold to go down?
And did you all read the public group post that we just posted before we came live? So yeah, tons of information are there. So we're gonna continue doing that again. Of course, I know that helps you guys. I know because there are quite a number of you who PM me and say thanks for the daily posting. It helps me to confirm with my direction and whatsoever. So we'll continue doing that. We will also continue giving you guys a direction in the market, our mapping whenever we can, whenever we feel certain. If we feel uncertain, we will obviously say that we are uncertain.
If US retaliate against China's bullying in the Philippines, in the West Philippine Sea, and ignites World War III, what will happen to Forex?
Very, very detailed question. Okay, basically, okay, let's cut the top part of the question. Okay, Roy. If it ignites World War III, right, I think trading will be halted. Okay, I think trading will stop because if World War III happens, right, World War III is World War III, not just country, it's World War, right? There's a reason they name it World War. It's not just 3-4 countries having war, it's World War. That means every country is responding, right? So if every country is responding, right, I think every country's economy will be jeopardized. So I think trading will be halted, right? Trading will be stopped and will be paused until everything calms down. So I think that's what will happen. Will this week be a boring week for gold? Hasn't it been for the last 1 month? Other than, of course, war volatility, whoever made good profits with the buy following the sentiment, congratulations, guys. Prince, where you went missing, Prince? You say DJ and my count streak 7-0. What is that? I'm eager to know that. I think it will be an interesting week zone for gold because there's CPI, right? The CPI
Next week,
upcoming
next week.
next week CPI. This week there's Powell speech, right? There's Powell speech this week. So God knows if he's speaking in a university or in some mama shop or some restaurant, we don't know. But whatever he's speaking about, let's see. It could be quite interesting. Gold slips as yield ticks. So yeah, gold is ranging. Is it gonna react there? Or?
I think it's going to go.
Yeah, that is looking like the direction. Guys, can you see what we just did? So that is what we are predicting, I would say, or looking like what's going to happen. Oh yeah, please do subscribe to our channel YouTube here, or else you won't be notified whenever we are going live. Okay, we will update in the public group, but of course, if you subscribe to our channel, it helps to get out to you.
So this is our first day, so we are getting used to it.
Yeah.
If you see us like being awkward in
Yeah.
front of YouTube, it's because it's our first live. We do not know how it works.
Yeah,
So
we're so not used to YouTube Live, man. We're too used to TikTok, just doing our stuff, and suddenly when it's YouTube Live, we have to reset things and just get things done properly.
yeah, but probably we will have both TikTok and YouTube, but we will not be able to show the charts on TikTok.
Yep.
Right. So maybe you guys who are more comfortable to chat on TikTok, you guys can actually shift to there to just listen.
Yeah.
Like a podcast. Okay.
Yeah, something like that. The one that is downwards, is it? Is that the one?
These two trend lines.
Second one, is it?
The blue one, right?
Purple,
The purple ones, right?
The downwards trend line, right? The one that's going down, right?
Yeah. So this is just the current direction for the market on the smaller time frame, guys. Okay. If you go to the bigger time frames, you will see a different picture. Okay. But overall, on a smaller time frame, the price has been creating a trend, right? Which means it has been creating a low and a lower low, a lower high, and all that. Okay, so this trend line is just serves as a guide to know where did the price break out the uptrend. It failed to make the higher high, continue in breaking out the trend, and start making a lower low instead, starting from this point. So if you see this point onwards, it starts making a lower low. And this is the point where it started making higher high. Okay, so when I draw these two trend lines, I'm just finding where the intersection is to find out where the strong supply zones were to create that break of structure. Okay, yeah, so that is why I drew the trend line, but it's a flexible line, guys. It's not ultimate. This trend line can eventually become like this based on where the price reacts and go down. This is just a guide based on the last two highs. Okay. Roy, this is M15.
Yeah, M15. Sorry, M15. You can see it up at the top.
Yeah, here, 15.
So how do you align fundamentals with the chart technical analysis? Okay, so you have to see what the chart is showing. First of all, is it a downtrend or an uptrend? Is the chart sparking at the support or the resistance? And then you have to look at the daily, for today's news or today's consensus. And you have to see if the consensus pointing to USD strong, right? So probably the market might move ahead anticipating a strong USD unless the data shows otherwise. Okay. So anticipation of a strong USD might force the market to go downwards for gold. If anticipation of a weak USD a weak consensus of USD data, right? US data might make gold to move, might force gold to move higher in anticipation of a weak USD. Otherwise, if it's probably like a CPI consensus is flat, and there's not much of a change in the data, it might just be ranging sideways within 50 pips, 40 pips for the whole day. I think many of you have experienced that, right? So yeah, these are the things. So if you see like, hey, today's data, most of the US data is showing is weak. So anticipate a USD XXX downwards and XXX USD upwards temporarily until data comes out. All right, you have to have that expectation, okay? And also, yeah, combining with your technical analysis, where's the nearest supply demand, nearest resistance support.
Right. So when are we opening Elite? November. Maybe after Deepavali, guys. There's a celebration going on in our country for those of you guys who are overseas. So maybe towards the end of November, so that we can focus December on education, and then eventually on January onwards, you guys can.
Yeah, ready to fly in New Year 2024. Get you guys ready to make profits in 2024. How about that? Yeah. So December is a good learning period, okay? Because you will see some crazy movements in the chart. Sometimes most of the time it's slow in December, but out of no freaking where you will see a crazy movement in the chart going on. So it's a good learning period because number one, it's slow, and it's also like unexpected moves. So it helps in a way for you to learn, I guess. Yeah. So December is a month where it's a good learning month. We can, do more classes. We can be more active, even though it's a holiday month worldwide with Christmas, New Year's coming to a close. I think it's a month where we can do more classes. We can be more engaged with you guys, and we can prepare you all for 2024. Okay, so that'll be a good month. For those in Malaysia, we will probably do a meetup and seminar together. We are looking forward to it. So let's see how the response is. Okay, we are planning to do that. We actually focus on the elite group for that, for the physical meetups and the Wall Street car. Wall Street car. Very familiar, this name, Wall Street car. Wall Street car, how are you? Yep. So we are looking at doing a seminar, a combined seminar with one of the legend traders with us. So we will keep you guys up to date. But this is for those who are in Malaysia. Yeah, we start with Malaysia because we are based here, right? So we're going to focus on the elite group, and we will open up a few slots for the public. For those who are around nearby, if you want to come, we will have a few slots open for you. So yeah, let's see. Okay. Can't wait to meet you guys and live trade together.
Balang, Magic Zone is basically the first 4 hours of the market, right? So when your market opens in your country or wherever around the world, which is the same time, but in Malaysia, for example, it's like 6 a.m. But now because probably of daylight savings, it's 7 a.m.
Yep.
So the first 4 hours of the market creates a certain high and low, right?
Yeah.
So after the first 4 hours is done, see where the market breaks out. Is it breaking out from the low that it created, or is it breaking out from the high?
Philippines.
Oh, yeah. Philippines should be the same time with us, right?
Yeah, should be the same.
Yeah.
By the way, is the market opening 1 hour later for you guys as well? I think it should, right? It should be opening 1 hour later for you guys, right? If you look at TradingView, the market opened at 1 hour later today. So yeah, we noticed that, and we realized that Magic Zone means FVG. No, Magic Zone is the first 4 hours of the market, which is the first H4 candle of the market, wherever or whatever time market opens in your country. And it's basically Asian session movement, okay? So the first 4 hours is the accumulation part of the Asian session. So after the first 4 hours, a breakout will happen. And usually the direction will be towards that temporarily up until midday of London session. and oftentimes until New York session. Okay, so that really helps. What's that? Oh, so that is yeah, that's Magic Zone. Is it?
Yeah.
Uh,
7 to 8, 9 to 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. Yeah, so first four candles.
First four candles. Yeah, this is H1, guys. See, first four candles.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah. So this creates a certain high and a certain low, right? So if you mark it with a horizontal line, you can see this is the low and this is the high. So
Yeah.
you ask yourself, where did the price break out from? Is it the high or the low after the first 4 hours? So if it breaks out down, then most likely the direction is going to be down first. Okay. So you need to monitor it from the 15 minutes time frame or smaller time frame after that.
You have to go up
No, it's
until the green lah. Yeah, yeah.
But this is tricky because it straight away broke. Okay, so what happens is when it goes into the magic zone for the first time, you can take your sells, right? But you got to be strategic. Strategic meaning that identify where are the area of imbalances in the chart.
Right.
So most likely this is the area of supply where it will react strongly. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is what magic zone basically is. When the zone is broken out in a certain direction, the chart will continue in that direction first before switching direction. Okay.
Wall Street car, what are you trying to type? Buffering. Are you the Wall Street car that we know, or is someone else? So I see Lambo there. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any new high probability strategies, or what you call 90% win rate? Still remember your terms in your webinar back then. Good, good. Has the webinar helped you? How is it going so far? 90% win rate strategies. Yes, we do. Of course, we do have. It's just that I would say that it takes some time for you to master a few methods. So I think if you have mastered Magic Zone, understand the behavior. Don't just use Magic Zone as Magic Zone itself. Oh, if it's here and here, high and low, I'm just gonna blindly enter the trade. So not like that, okay? Like see how just Logesh explained, right? Within the Magic Zone, find for the right area as well, if possible. So that's how you fine tune or sharpen your skills in Magic Zone, right? I think we also taught M15 trend line, right? In the
Yeah, we spoke
Yeah.
about M15 trend line.
Yes, Sherwin. So how about the M15 trend line? Have you been doing that? I'm more confident now. Congratulations. Woo! Do you know me? I'm from Wales. Yeah, I think Logesh knows you. He's seen you before.
Hi.
Yeah, we saw you on Wales in Subway. Wait, is there a Subway in Wales? Just kidding. What the heck was the chat doing? Chat, please decide where you want to go. Oh my goodness.
Today, Monday, guys, no news today. Probably towards US session, we can see some big movements happening.
Yeah, guys, charts is so torturing. Yes, M15 is on fire always if all conditions met. Yeah, M15 is good. M15 is good. Oh, showing here, Offering.
Oh,
Yeah, okay. Live trade, sir. You guys, there's nothing to enter here, so wait first.
Imagine I enter a cell now.
Yeah.
So that's weak.
Yeah, imagine I enter a cell now and right now at the chart is doing a continuation pattern upwards. So obviously, wait first. Or you guys want to look at what DXY is doing? Let's look at what DXY is doing. DXY might be doing some downwards nonsense. Exactly. Yeah. So yeah, see, DXY direction is already preset. So DXY just broke, huh? Okay, okay. No wonder gold is keep on going up. Yeah. Okay, I guess we have to wait. Your webinar helped me a lot, sir. Sometimes I rewatch it over and over and it wake me up in reality of trading. Congratulations. I'm really grateful and thankful for that comment. Um, this what we're trying to do is, share what we have learned from our trading experience. Even combined with my crypto trading experience and Loge's stock trading experience, whatever we had in our bag or pocket or utilities, we applied it in forex trading, and we learned a lot. We learned a lot of new things while applying the old things that we have learned as well, and how to understand the behavior of a forex market, which is totally different than the stocks and crypto and whatsoever. Although the technicals can be applied, but the elements, the behaviors, everything is different. So yeah, based on all this experience that we have been sharing with you guys. So thank you for that comment. It's really nice to hear that. Chart resolution in YouTube Live isn't clear. It's blurred. Can't view clearly. Oh, is it? Using CP viewing. Meaning? What is CP viewing, Roy?
Roy, go. Have you tried increasing your resolution?
Yeah, go to the settings, that settings thing, and then click on it. Go to 720p at least.
Click on advanced and choose 720p. You can
Hans-
even zoom in.
Hunt stop loss sellers above pullback. Hunt buyers SL and pull back again and drop deeply. Okay.
Do I use order flow when I'm trading? No, I don't use order flow because I feel I can see enough without the order flows. Okay, anyway, what indicators are we using? Basically, we use simple indicators as confluence, things like fair value gaps, things like awesome oscillators to check on divergence. Sometimes DY uses Bollinger Bands.
Yep.
Sometimes when the chart goes crazy rallies, I use Fibonacci, right? So it really depends on the market condition to see which indicator I would prefer to use. Okay, but most of the time, me personally, I just use fair value gaps and awesome oscillators.
Yeah, guys, if you want, during the webinar, we told them about how to find that. The spaceman,
What's his name?
the fair value gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did told you all in the webinar, right? How to find the fair value gap indicator. Hey, Mr. Wales, don't bullshit us lah. Okay. So I I keep watching. Miss your almost daily life in TikTok, but God stop all the time. Yeah. That's right, Sherwin. Wow, you remember? We will be doing some Mario games and all those nonsense just to avoid banning, and they're still banners. My goodness. So, do you use auto flow when you're trading? Jansen?
Yeah, I think I told already.
Okay.
We don't use order flow.
Oh, okay, yeah, we don't. Oh, yeah, correct, we don't. And if you guys want to check out fair value gap, right, you can search it here. Just search it on the indicator. What is that?
Yeah, it's you.
Just search it here, and then go to fair value gap, and then choose the first one, Spaceman BTC. Choose that, so you can see it's on. Yeah.
Once you do that, just go and increase the opacity, guys, so that you can see it more clearly.
Yep. So something like this. Okay, this is one of the also helpful indicators that will show you where the blocks are. The blocks. Okay. Heat map, sir. Oh, YouTube. Do you use Matrix? So I know one guy who uses Matrix lah. He has failed to teach us. He has failed to teach us Matrix, so we still don't know how to use Matrix.
We are still in the matrix.
We are still in the Matrix because of him. So yeah, we cannot be out of the Matrix. Where's the good place to trade BTC? Good place to trade BTC. I think you can choose certain brokers that are catering highly towards crypto, so that they can give you a low spread. Because if you choose a broker that is leaning more towards forex and commodities, right, the BTC spread will be super huge. So find a broker or a platform that that's accommodating well for crypto. So he'll give you, a normal spread and such things, right?
Is there a possibility for price to drop from this point? Yes, yes. Because this itself it's a place where the supply was created. Okay, so there is a possibility for price to go down straight away from here. It doesn't necessarily need to go on top here. All right.
Yeah.
So when I mark these areas on top, it's like my maximum point of manipulation before the price continues downwards. If it breaks this structure above these levels and continue going above, then I know the entire cell structure has failed and probably it's going to go upwards. All right. So that is why I have this as a reference. Okay.
All right, and I want to enroll to your group, bro. I want to learn from you. All right, Mr. Jara. Don't worry. When we are opening up, when we come in, then we will definitely inform you guys in the public group. Don't worry, or even in the stream here. Okay. How many pips is ideal regardless of risk management? How many pips is ideal for stop loss? Okay, for stop loss, right? It's always market structure. So let's say if the zone is big, like for example, the zone is like 80 pips, and you divide it into two. You divide it into two, like 30 pips of the bottom of the zone and 30 pips at the top of the zone. So you have two sell zones based on the 80 pip zone, because you don't want to layer fully for the 80 pips, so you divide it into two, right? So if the bottom of the zone for sell, right, breaks, right, you cut it and you wait for the top. Okay, if the top breaks the structure at the end of the cell where it breaks the structure, then you cut it. That is how you do it manually. If you want to have like a fixed stop loss, I think it's a bit difficult because price reacts to structure and order collections and liquidity and all those things as well. And it's basically a reaction of when it's ready to go down from a for a sell, when it's ready to go up for a buy. Okay, so having a fixed stop loss is, I would say, a subjective matter. There's no like a direct, okay, this is how you must set, like how people provide signals, 20 pip stop loss and all that. It's just a market assumption that okay, this is the stop loss, those kind of things. So when that happens, it's a bit difficult, right? I hope you understand what I said. Okay. But how can we know or we can't?
Message is going to drop.
Okay. You mean what? How can we know or price drop from that point without going higher in a rate market area? Oh, okay. So it's about structural break. So if the price wants to go up, it will break the structure. 30 pip stop loss sucks, man. Many times got stopped. Yeah, I get it. I know that feeling.
Yeah, Andrea, so you will not know, all right, until the price breaks the structure. Okay.
Yep.
So it's now deciding whether it should go up further or whether it should go down from here. So all that decides whether it goes down from here or goes up from here is the strength of the supply and demand which is in the market right now. Okay.
Right.
So let's say if this price continues going down and breaks the earlier area of resistance and which turned into support, then most likely the price will continue going down. So that's how you know if price is going to go down from here. Okay. So if it doesn't break this area of resistance that turned into support, it has always the chance to continue going up to collect a stronger supply zone before going down. Right. So it could always do one of these two scenarios. So that's why as a trader, you need to be prepared for a first reaction. So you know this is a good supply zone. So you take a trade in this zone first, okay, while waiting for confirmation in your second or third trade. Okay. So when the price goes into a fresh zone again for the first time, you can take your trade. If it comes up there for the second or third time, then you wait for your confirmation again. So that's how you need to be as a trader, because you will never know indefinitely whether it's going to go down from here or is it going to go down from here.
Get it. What is the charts doing? Oh my gosh. What's the real food?
Liquidity.
Yeah. Based on my experience in M15 trendline strategy, regardless of risk management, 100 pips is ideal if all conditions met in this strategy. Market always collects orders before going up. Down. Okay.
Glad that you guys are using it.
See, guys, what a boring market, right? We've been live for how long already, and what a movement!
You see our sell?
Yeah, look at ourselves. What the heck, man? Market is just ranging from one point. You know, if it's ranging here, then suddenly it'll be ranging here. Then for a while it'll be ranging here. Then it'll be ranging here. You feel like, oh, that's a breakout. No, okay, it's supposed to go up. Then it comes down back. Then like, oh, okay, it's a breakdown. It's supposed to go down. Then no, it comes down back. Can I join your mentorship? Sure, of course. When we're opening, don't worry, address, you are more than welcome. Monday is boring day for Forex. Yeah. Hey, but last Monday wasn't. Last Monday, if you all remember, it was interesting. So please, do we wait or we can sell now? Manuel, what do you see from your perspective? What do you think the chart is doing? I mean, I don't want you to just blindly follow us. What do you see happening, Emmanuel? What do you see happening in the chart? From your analysis, what's happening? Where is your resistance and where is your support or supply and demand? Where do you see a nice area to buy and sell? Prince can sell. Up to you, Prince. If you think that's a nice sell, go for it. What broker you are using, sir? We are using multi-bank. Okay. That does not mean you guys must use multi-bank. No, but we are using multi-bank. Okay. Whatever broker you want to use is up to you guys.
Emmanuel say consolidation phase.
So consolidation phase, right? Would you buy or sell during a consolidation phase? Would you buy or sell or wait during a consolidation phase? Same broker, multi-bank. Hey, multi-bank is good, right? Multi-bank is awesome. Good stuff, good stuff. Hope you're enjoying the multi-bank experience. What can you say about our fellow traders getting into proprietary firms or prop firms? Well, prop firms are many. Currently, the strong ones are FTMO and My Forex Fund is it. These two are the strong ones, and they give out random brokers, right? So I don't know exactly what are the choice of their brokers, but yeah, they have their own brokers, right? Who I think is already a partner with them, in the sense that, you know, okay, if you're joining a prop firm, you know, you can register an account here, those kind of things. So yes, Emmanuel, during a consolidation phase, what do you normally do? What do you think you should do? Buy or sell? Multi-bank spread is so low, 25 for gold compared to other 45, 75. Yep, true. The spread is so low. Are you using a pro account? The pro account spread is really good. Yo, gold going down to 86, going up to 87. My goodness, gold needs a knock on the or kick in the butt.
But yeah, guys, I think we have to wait for the US session, which is around 8:30,
Yep.
9 o'clock.
That's like 45 more minutes, guys. And probably it might move quickly 8 p.m. We don't know. Let's see. Half an hour before the market opens. If the big guns are placing their orders in so that we can take some sell or buy. Not showing up. Oh. Okay, guys. On the charts, obviously, we've already shown you what we think for today, and there's nothing much we can show unless you wanna. I think if you wanna see bookmap, can, but we need to open a separate browser, right? Yeah. I think just open bookmap in YouTube and you can see the orders that are going on there to understand it more. And in terms of the chart, technically it is what it's showing. It's consolidating like crazy. So it's an undecided area where it's a drop area, but it's still undecided whether it's breaking that base and going higher to collect, or it's gonna react from the base and go down there itself. So we don't know. But let's see. Let's see what's happening. And today again is our AMA. So AMA means ask us anything in regards to us, in regards to trading, in regards to our future plans. What are SuperTraders' future plans? What are we doing? And where do we see this going, or those kind of things. Like some of you asked just now about our elite opening. That's good. Thank you. And yep, anything other than that. Yep. We're starting back from scratch from YouTube, just for your information, because TikTok is not so kind to us. It's not so kind to many other traders as well. I think they don't want people to gain financial knowledge in the name of being scammed. They say that, oh, be careful, guys. People might give the fake knowledge out there. They can scam you and stuff. These are the what financial regulations by I don't know, government or someone, I don't know. So this is what they're saying, right? If that's the case, why not they teach the right knowledge? If you're afraid people are getting scammed out there, why not you teach the right knowledge? Teach lah, teach trading. Why not teach trading? People can gain financial freedom. People can gain the right way of learning. Why not teach instead of just banning people? Huh? Teach lah. Right? Are you going to be back in live stream, sir, in TikTok or YouTube? Yeah. This is YouTube live stream. We are going to continue with this, and we will also incorporate TikTok together inside. Okay, we will incorporate TikTok together inside to test run and see, because there are many of our community in TikTok still, okay, that are used to TikTok and they prefer TikTok as a platform to communicate or learn. So we have to figure out a way how to integrate both and combine it with it together. Yeah, it'll take some time, like guys. So bear with us. We are doing test runs and see what's going on, right? And obviously, we don't mind starting from scratch because you know how we did it. Okay, in TikTok, we started from barely 10 people in live, 5 people in live, up to all the way to like 800,000 people in live. So we don't mind starting from scratch, because it's not the numbers that we are going for; it's the quality of uh, the content that we're going for, what we can contribute here, and to develop the community properly. So that's what we always go for. So we don't mind. Relax, take our time and grow. No problem. I don't mind being online with you guys, live with you guys, all 23 of you every day. No problem.
Chart is basically quite boring today.
Yeah, Chad is not giving us face.
So anyways, maybe we can just share with you a little bit of our forecast, right? So let's just be prepared for volatility towards the US session. If the price comes towards 1990 to 1993 level, or even 1989, you can start looking for sells, because it is a fresh area that created a good downwards movement, right? So of course, fresh areas means it's coming there for the first time. So once you get your 20 pips or 30 pips, you can start closing and setting your BEs, right? Break even levels. If the price goes up again to create a chart pattern or to see whether it's going to go breakout, it's better to wait for confirmation after that, and then see how the price creates the chart pattern, and then focus on your second continuation sell. Okay. Yep. So overall, if you see the big picture, guys, we believe that there is some room for gold to continue consolidating downwards before anything happens in the market, right? So if you look at the bigger time frame, it can still go downwards towards all these areas below here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
There's a lot of room for gold to go downward, seriously.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's currently like stuck at a high level. So if it wants to do a consolidation downwards, it can, and this will be the critical area. Okay, this will be the critical area of support, right? So there's a shoulder here, there's a head here. There is a good bearish momentum candle that triggered a continuous selling momentum whenever it's coming up. So there is a chance that this is a pullback towards this level, which is already filled last week. Okay, we see NFP was quite weak, all right, and most of the US data was weak last week, but gold continued moving downwards instead of closing on the bullish side. So we believe that the bearish pressure is quite strong right now. So there is a chance for gold to continue moving downwards. So the first level it needs to break is this area, and then this area to go towards the downside. So what I think gold might do right now is to retest this support level that has been created in the previous. So first destination is definitely towards 76. So that's why we are looking for ourselves somewhere around here, right? So this is what's looking like right now. Okay, so it will only turn bearish if it breaks the trend on top here. Bullish if it breaks the trend on top here. Okay, so that's what I can share for the day. Okay, guys.
Sherwin, I think I read your question wrong just now. You said, what can you say about our fellow traders getting into prop firms? Okay. I think I read that wrong. Because I'm just realizing, I didn't answer according to this question. So what can you say about our fellow traders getting into prop firms? Okay, so like we mentioned earlier, there's FPMO, there's My Forex funds and all that. So getting into prop firm, right? If you ask me, it's for a trader who has confidence and has built up his trading plan. A trader who has confidence in the self that he has already back tested his methods, he has already had a strong basic, he has already had a good knowledge in trading, and then he wants to earn bigger income. So that is where you move up to prop firms, because prop firms you'll be handling 5 figures, 6 figures amounts. So if you are not ready to even handle 1 to 5,000 USD trading amount, don't even think about prop firm. Forget it. Okay, 1 to 5,000 USD, you shouldn't be having a loss. You shouldn't be having a margin call. Loss meaning not a single loss. I'm saying that your account shouldn't be below the capital. It should be above the capital. You should be consistently making profit. Of course, the loss is normal, but your weekly overall and your monthly overall should be in profit. You should be able to handle the emotions of trading a $5,000 to $10,000 account. If you are not in that level yet, don't go into prop firm, because you will just waste your money buying the account. It may sound cheap. Oh, $100 I can get a $10,000 account and I can try. Prop firm is not something you try. Prop firm is something is that you've already settled your basic. You are more into advanced now, in the sense that you are confident in your trades. You know where the market will most probably react, and you just want to look for the bigger catch of profit. This is the season or the moment where you go into prop firm. Okay, I see a lot of beginners going into prop firm, and I think that's a really bad decision. Okay, I think you shouldn't do that, because prop firm rules are strict. It's not your own account, so their drawdowns is really strict. Their drawdown is 15%, 10%, or some 20%. It's really strict in the sense that if it's 20%, you may be thinking, okay, I'm going to use really small lots, like 0.05, 0.03 for a what, $10,000 account, or 0.1 for a $10,000 account. No, you can't. You may use it. You have to pass phase 1, phase 2, and then you can have a liberty to get a higher drawdown for a more profit. So those kind of things. So if you are not yet on the road to be a disciplined trader, I think prop firm is not for you. If you can confidently tell yourself that I am a disciplined trader, I can work with the drawdown, I can level up myself in this sense, I can still make profit being this disciplined, then yeah, prop firm is for you. Go ahead, make the extra money. Still learning and seeking advice in my journey here in trading. Advice from you people is worth more than you think. Thank you. So yes, guys, Do like our channel. Wow, I'm being sound like an influencer now. Like and subscribe, guys. Follow me, follow me. Like and subscribe now. Okay, just like and subscribe in the sense that you'll get notification whenever we go live. Okay, we will still post on our YouTube. Sorry, our Telegram channel, our public channel. We'll still post it there. So we're only gonna use this for our sessions with you guys. So yeah. If you want to inform your friends that hey, super traders are back, they are in YouTube now, and then share with your community then. One final question. Carry on. Logesh is waiting for you. What a price, man. Okay, berapa? Logesh will handle yours.
Thank you, Tim. Tim is our legend.
Tim is there?
Yeah. Tim is my independent student. Okay, is there any possibility that you will be conducting another webinar? Yeah, we will. We will be conducting a webinar towards the end of November, guys. Right, towards the end of November. Let Deepavali be over, celebration. Then we will figure it out while getting active on our Telegram channel. Okay, so what we are planning to do, these are our plans. We are planning to go active back on TikTok and YouTube. We stopped for a while because TikTok wasn't allowing streams of charts. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to be trying to explore. We're going to try exploring YouTube, how the response is, how do we funnel the people from TikTok to YouTube, and then slowly get things going on. So towards the end of the month, there will be a webinar followed by entrance into the elite coaching group. So I believe the previous batch, they're doing fine. They're doing great. Okay, just need a little bit more experience, and I think they will be flying high when the market gets back on track. Okay, so yeah.
Team, what's up, team? Yo. Is there any possibility that you will be conducting another? Oh yeah, okay, answered right. You guys are back. Yes, Katina, we are back. Hello. Yeah. So for those of you who knows people are always in our stream in TikTok and all that, share with them our YouTube channel. Lost for TikTok not having super traders. Wow. Okay. Team, send me your account. I'll send you some cash. All right. Yeah. I mean, we also said because TikTok was quite fun, right? Because TikTok was actually quite fun. Then we were thinking like, a lot of our communities are there, but it's okay. It's okay. We can still do this. We can still tell them that hey, we are in YouTube, and we can still on TikTok live, but we have to do it differently. We can't show charts. So we just need to probably divert them and tell them, hey, we are on YouTube for charts. But if you wanna do like a podcasting, we can do a podcast in TikTok while streaming the charts on YouTube, so you can have both settings. Looking forward for another knowledge. Keep helping us. Yeah, we'll try our best. We'll do our best. We hope to always be able to share the knowledge with you guys. So don't worry about it. There's a lot of things to learn. I think team, you have upgraded tremendously, team. Congratulations. Your zones are sharp. We like to see your zones. That's why we always ask you. Team, what's your zone, team? Yeah, we like to ask you your zone because you learn really fast. So that's good.
Where to sell, team?
Yeah, team, where to sell, team? Tell us, team. Where to sell?
Or where to buy?
We are, for those of you asking about buy and sell, right? We are currently in a sell, actually. We are currently in a sell, waiting for the market consolidation and waiting for the market to react. We are actually currently on a sell. Okay. How about Spotify, sir? Have you tried it, or it is not allowed to make live podcast there? Spotify, huh? But that is just voice podcast, right? I mean, in TikTok we can do video sort of podcast, but we can't show the charts. So for the charts, maybe we post it on our Telegram group or in YouTube, and you can stream and see the charts while listening to us in TikTok for live updates and stuff. But yeah, we're trying this out. We're trying new things for you guys.
Easy, GG.
Yeah. GJ is just uptrend like mad, going up and up. Pressure, bro. Why pressure? You're good. You're good. Really, you're good. Whenever we are on holiday, team, or we have work somewhere, right, team, you just take over elite for us, okay? Take over elite, give the zones.
Team can sell here, team.
Yeah, can sell you, team.
It is too big.
I've seen in Spotify with video. Oh, really? I didn't know. Spotify has a video. Oh, we haven't checked that out. We will check it out. That looks cool. We tried trading live. I think you guys know, right? We tried trading live. We don't feel so comfortable, or I would say trading live is not that user friendly, right?
It's okay, but we feel that there's a lot of bots that are chatting with us rather than real clients.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
I mean, real people, not clients, sorry. Real people. So I don't feel so much connected in trading live.
Yeah. In trading live, we can't engage with the people or with the community around, or with whoever wants to trade, whoever wants to, be part of our group. We can't really engage with them. So it's a bit difficult, yeah. I think in YouTube is fine so far because it's all you guys. It's whoever is in the public group or in our elite group. Yeah, so that's fine. Yeah, it looks like it's going down now. I know it looks the opposite, guys, but yeah, it looks like it's going down. Let's see. 8 o'clock is done. The volatility is here. Woohoo!
Let's see, guys. Let's see whether it can break out from this area.
Yeah, let's see. Come on, gold. Show your magic, gold. How about Telegram Live? We did Telegram Live. That time you did a Telegram Live once.
But the problem with Telegram Live is you guys cannot chat with us.
Yeah,
right?
correct. Exactly.
So you can only see the live stream and me talking to you guys. But you cannot, unless I create a separate channel for you guys to go and type there. So I have to create two things.
Yeah. The reason why we are saying we are test running, right, multiple platforms is because we want to be able to engage with our current community and also the public as well. Like how in TikTok, right? Like you guys who follow us, you know how to join our live, and just whenever we are going live, you'll be notified. And those people who are learning and wanting to learn and wanting to find out about what are we doing as well, they can also randomly join and just find out, just like that. So in other platforms it's a bit difficult, especially also in YouTube it's a bit difficult, but yeah, we'll work things out, no worries. We are doing some test runs, so work things out. Let's see. High risk sell going on. We are on a high risk sell right now. So if you want to join this high risk sell, you can join, but it's a high risk sell. Okay, guys, we are in a high risk sell. I am in a high risk sell personally. I'm taking a high risk sell slightly earlier. Yeah. So the zone, if you can see, is marked up there. You can see on the charts, right? It's marked up there. So you can see it. And yep, even before that zone, I'm already selling because I'm anticipating a possible continuation from here itself. Okay. I'm anticipating a possible continuation from here itself. Possible continuation, all right? Let's see. Is it gonna drop? YouTube is fine. It's very clear and everything is fine. Nice. All right, Omar. Thank you.
I think we will get traction over time, like guys. So this is just our first live stream, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, man, don't worry.
Yeah. So
It's our first day. We are
Yeah.
rookies in YouTube today.
We were like this in TikTok too. Don't worry.
Yeah.
We're coming for YouTube.
Yeah, we're coming for YouTube. Until YouTube bans us as well. Then we find maybe, you know what, X or something. Twitter. Yeah.
Finally.
Yeah, we got, our goal is to try to get banned in every social platform there is. So after we are banned in everything, then we retire. Then we be like, okay, guys, we're done with trading. There's nothing, no platform more to go into. Team, are you selling 1-2 now earlier, team? I know you are selling 1-2 now. Don't lie, team. For sure, he has already put sell once or twice right now. Confirm. Correct, right, team? Don't lie, team. You are silently selling, huh? Wow! Yeah, the truth is out. It's okay, good. One layer is good. Discipline.
Team knows lah. Team knows.
Team knows, yeah. Team knows
what is this.
Yeah. Team knows. Team knows. Want to layer some more? Ah, wait. Wait. US session influx is not in yet. Once the US session volatility comes in, the volume comes in, then you already know the direction. It will be very obvious. So 8 to 9, right, is the time frame for US session to be, showing what the heck is going to happen. So let's check it out. Goal is boring, man. Goal.
We personally are taking some sales here, and if it goes up, we're going to take some sales here, guys. Right? Just to update you guys. Right? So we're taking a tick sales, and if it goes above into this area, we're going to take some continuation sales. Right? Of course, if the structure is broken, it breaks out above, my maximum pain level is at 95.5 probably, okay, or 96. Right? So if it breaks above all these levels, then it's a gone case scenario. Okay? So this is our maximum pain level. So I think most likely the chart is going to react somewhere off here before going down further.
Yeah, but if the chart goes down too early, guys, and break everything and goes down, then we're sorry, man.
Yep. So this is our insurance zone.
Yeah.
This is our real zone.
Yeah.
This is our SL. Okay.
Sometimes it's just like this. You do have to sell earlier. you have to take the risk sometimes. If you don't dare to take the risk, then you wait for the low risk zone, of course. But if you miss it, you shouldn't be angry. You shouldn't be frustrated because you decided that is your trading plan. So stick with that. So if you're taking a slightly higher risk sell or buy, anticipating that it might not even enter the zone, then be ready for it if it enters the zone and go against the direction temporarily. Okay. So have a maximum pain level. Have a maximum stop loss where if this breaks, I'm cutting everything, that kind of thing. Just don't overlay. Yeah, correct. Trading really tests our patience. That is right. You are right. Trading tests our patience tremendously, especially during war, guys. My goodness, during sentiment, not exactly war, but sentiment itself, it'll test your patience. Your zone will be right, or your zone will be slightly off, but somewhere along the line is correct, and it'll do a full collection, it'll break your zone and then go down and this kind of thing. Even though your zone is like really sharp, really in a strongest demand or supply area, a proper reaction area, it might still just trick you, you know. So you'll never know. Always be prepared. Goal, what are you doing, Goal? Did I? Oh yeah, I did manage to. Come on, Goal. About 50 pips candle, one shot together. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Wall Street Car. You're back. How many years it took you to be profitable? About almost 2 years. Yeah.
2 years, 2 years,
2 years, 2 years. Almost 2 years. After spending countless USDs and in our Malaysian ringgit MYR, after becoming almost bankrupt, I'm going back to 9 to 5 jobs just to support our trading a little bit and thinking, did we do the right decision? Did we make the right choice? And should we pursue trading still, or let's just go to some normal job and be like Colonel Sanders? Yeah. So all that. Yeah, it took us a lot. It took us a lot, and the reason we are also consistent is because there are a bunch of good people that did decide to help us out as well, in the sense that guiding us to the right direction. Yeah.
Waiting for you. Andreas, you look at multiple time frames to see what is the price doing. Okay, so let's say now it's about 8:10 p.m. right on my screen. So towards 8:15, I'll usually see M15. Okay, but when I want to make my entries on my phone, of course I will look at what's the M1 time frame doing. Okay, so when the price enters into the zone, you got to see your M1 1 minute time frame to look at the momentum of the candles. How is it rejecting? Is it creating an early chart patterns? Should you add your layers and so on, right? So then you got to switch it back to your higher time frame as time passes to see the bigger picture. Has it formed a clear rejection on a higher time frame and all that?
Wow, this Wales guy know how to speak Bahasa Melayu, huh?
Yeah, someone
Waiting.
face someone.
Waiting for Junam ke tu.
Some Juna or what?
Don't say Google Translate at all, right?
Wall Street car.
Wall Street car. Typo, what?
Soon lah guys, soon. I don't know what time the momentum is gonna come.
How hard was it to control emotions on stop loss? Oh, our journey was not about stop loss. Our journey was uncountable margin calls.
Yeah.
Yeah, for us, stop loss didn't exist. It's either we trade or we margin call. So yeah, you can talk about margin call emotions. Yeah, so it was crazy. But it helped. It helped us to be smarter. Obviously, it was a stupid move, but it helped us to be really, really smarter in controlling our emotion, in the sense that how do we counter the loss in the trade and to be profitable in the same trade or the following day or whatever, but be profitable immediately, countering the kind of things. We have lost small accounts, we have lost major big accounts, and we have also profited small account. We did also profit big account. So yeah. Hi Prince. Hi. Have you made your first 7 figures? Almost. Very close. Very close. Very close. Just a few dollars away. A few dollars away. Can you explain margin calls more in details? I think that's something you shouldn't know, lah. But let Logesh will tell.
Margin calls is just your account bursting lah, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Bursting or based on your leverage, the account auto cuts your layers because it cannot float anymore. All right. So when your free margin is getting negative and based on your leverage, the account will be protected to a certain extent too. preserve your remaining capital and not incur more loss. Okay, so if you're using an account with high leverage, then most likely when the price goes against your direction and you didn't cut loss, your account will be burst
Yep.
into flares with zero money in the account after that. Okay, but if you have a very low leverage account like 50 or 100 or about even like 200 or 300, if the price really goes against the direction and you don't cut loss, eventually the system will auto cut for you to preserve some form of capital so that you can continue trading next. All right, so yeah, that's what margin call means.
So guys, remember I told you 8 to 9 you will see the US volatility and volume coming in, right? Yeah. So do you see the volume and the volatility coming in? Prince, hi Prince. Miss those laughs. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Love you, bro. Miss you too. It's going down. Yeah. Once you play straight, just leave your screen. Keeping in front of screen while in a position will make you a crazy man. Yeah, true. Oh my god, that MC experience. Yeah. It's crazy, team. Seriously, MC experience is crazy. Uh, yeah, tell me about it. Last 5-6 figures MC experience. Nonsense.
But this is what we believe, right? Every time you become, you go on a big loss. Of course, it is painful at that moment.
Yep.
But if you learn through it, like why did you go through that big loss, and you improve on it after multiple MCs, you will become a way better trader.
Yes.
Right?
We didn't discount that there will be no MC after that. No.
Yeah.
What we are saying that after many more multiple MCs, then you will see MC is quite far away from you.
Yeah.
You'll be like, hey MC, it's been a while, Yeah.
Like only for us right now, only a mega big event can make us MC.
Yep.
Right? A mega big event which is unexpected.
Right. Yeah, guys, I'll be honest to y'all, we still go through MC. We still go through, but it takes something huge to MC us now. Not just any normal day. It must be some huge nonsense going on. Then we'll go for MC. Yeah, we'll go for it lah. We will give the chart what it wants. 10K to 1 million. Is it possible? Of course. And what a drop. There, guys. The sell. The high risk sell. Let's go. After how long waiting for this trade? $10K to 1 million USD, right? It is possible. It might take very long, but it is possible. The thing is it possible for you to control your emotions and handle your risk management? Handle your risk management, handle your layering. When your account is growing, let's say from 10K example to 20, 30K, will you be greedy in layering it and to grow it faster, or are you going to grow with the same method, the same discipline? Because when you're holding a 10K is different. When you're holding a 50K, it's going to be different. You're going to have a different feeling like, oh, I feel more powerful right now. I don't think so I can MC. And then suddenly, gone. Okay? So it's all about your emotions. It's not about the amount. It's not about the capital that is growing rapidly. It's about your emotions. So we are still affected by that mistakes as well. I'm not telling you guys in a way that we are not making mistakes. No, we also do. I'm saying that in your trading journey, you will go through all this. So are you ready for it? Where should we put our TP? About, I don't know, I think about 85, 84 is fine. 85, 84 is fine. Yeah.
This is the first block.
Yep.
The previous resistance that turned into support. So if we can break these guys, I think we can see a waterfall.
Yeah.
Let's see, guys, whether we all can hear the music. Music. Hell's kitchen. Ordinary person.
Can you hear the music? Can you all hear the music? I think cannot like noise cancellation. Is there any music playing?
You all can hear no, any music? No.
Yes, nice. Okay. Did you guys decide to quit in the early days? Oma, multiple. Yes, Coldplay. That's right. Okay, can hear. It's not too loud, right? It's just okay, right? Not too loud, right? The music. Yes, we decided to quit in the early days multiple times. Although yes, we have a very good no give up character and attitude, and we want to do it, but that no give up also went MC. Okay, the no give up attitude also went to margin call, guys. So many times we almost give up. We did give up, not almost. We did give up, but the sense of like, hey, if we don't make it here, then like, why did we even bother start trying? That kind of thing, lah. So at the end of the day, we continued. We just be disciplined. We just do our best, and we eventually found the light at the end of the tunnel. What a cheeky breakout. At the same time.
Yeah, this is a critical level, guys. Okay, so maybe it can do some form of imbalance collection here. If it wants to, then it will eventually break this. So I think if it breaks this, it's going to retest below here again.
Yeah.
So let's see what it wants to do.
Okay. Team, where's Goldman team? What zones? What level is Goldman? For Goldman, buy. Junam Ketu. Come on. $62 to $70. Okay. I'm waiting there. Some full margin or what? Let's go. Come on, gold. Break it, gold. Break it. The typical area. No! Break it! One long stick, please. Come on, red stick. Break it. No! Oh shit, no way. Another double bottom? Hey. No! Go down. Oh yeah lah. It'll react first. Okay. It'll react up for a while. Temporarily it'll react. Let's wait for a while. Pam. Let gold react upwards for a while. Guys, what a boring Monday, huh? Oh man. So anyone took a trade earlier? Y'all closed your profit or still holding? When it was at 87, 88, right? Y'all took your profit or still holding? I think it's like 20, 30 pips now. 20 plus pips, not 30 pips. Baru masuk sell, Devin. Now at this level, at 86, is it? Oh, you baru masuk this live. Closed, waiting to re-entry. Team is smart, man. How was it Friday?
NFP.
Friday. Team, how was NFP team on Friday? You enjoy? NFP in the bag. Ka-ching, 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 ka-ching.
Is this how people do YouTube live stream?
Yeah, man. Is this how the normal YouTube live stream is? Crazy.
I mean, there's nothing happening today, so basically we got nothing much to talk. But I think when we have more things happening in the market, like when the movement is volatile, we'll have more things to talk about. Right?
Yeah. Loved it, but I backed only the sells. Okay. Oh, you missed the earlier buy, is it? Okay, never mind. The sell was still good. That high risk sell flew down. Oh, it's breaking, brothers. Let's go, brothers.
Yeah, the whale is coming. Yay.
Isn't that considered a market structure shift on 15 minutes time frame? So now the price comes back to the market 84, 85, it's going to bounce. 84, 85, okay, I think it is a significant local support earlier, but I think right now it might most probably break it. If it doesn't, it will collect the fair value gap and then go down eventually. But I think it will break it now. That's what I see. And as we are speaking, it's breaking it, like you guys can see, right?
Yo, guys.
Some black magic or what?
Some 30 pips in the back.
Okay, time to close the lower ones. I'm just closing my lower layers.
Let's see whether it can close below these levels or not. Right? If it can close, then probably we will have a continuation downtrend.
Can you all hear the sound? Closing my profits. I'm closing the lower layers. I'm leaving the top layers. Sunday I got a call on.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So guys, closing my lower layers.
Yo,
Woo! Tell me about it, people.
1 minute to go, guys. 1 minute to go.
Okay, left one layer BE, left one layer up there. You can see the BE up there. Yeah. Be right back. Be right back. Have a call.
Okay, guys, those of you guys who were in a sell earlier, right? Try to just set BE and close most of your layers, okay? Unless you want to take risk waiting for the bigger movement to happen with all your layers. I don't encourage that, okay? Because this is still a demand area and the price must close bearish strongly below this previous resistance that became support, which it didn't, all right? So you gotta be patient until that happens. If not, then the price is probably just collecting the imbalance earlier, which is here. There's also a liquidity zone to probably further go upwards and manipulate before going down. So let's see if we can close below this level in the next 15 minutes or so. Then I think we will see a continuous bearish movement, okay? Or even the 5 minutes chart could be a good indicator. So the 1 minute has not closed. Let's see.
Woo! Woo!
Let's see, guys.
Ada woo!
We are touched
Ada woo!
by the 25 people who supported us.
Yeah. Does your TP is the previous high or lower? Low, previous high or low? No. We go for the low. Of course, the safe TPs to take is the first 20-30 pips, close the lower layers and leave the higher layers, running with BE. Yahoo!
Okay, mute. Okay, guys, the price is falling down. So all the best for you guys. Okay, all the best for you guys. We have to do something right now urgently. All right. So yeah, congrats on those of you guys who have profited. We will try to do this more often this week. Let's do some live trades. Let's take some risky trades. Okay. Let's do that and see where we can actually build this YouTube followings. Right. So till then, thank you so much for your support, guys. Thank you so much for the 26 people who came in and remained until the end, because this is our first live stream and we are still learning how all works, how all this works. Yep, first live stream with profits. Okay, so this was a damn good zone, right? It's a damn good zone. Okay, so of course we will teach you more along the way. It's just a trial run. Okay, so take care. Bye bye, guys. Take care.